Looking for a pitcher that blends convenience, durability, and smart design? The Rubbermaid 1-gallon pitcher stands out with its comfortable rounded handle and a premium lid that adapts to your pouring needs. Whether you're serving water, juice, or lemonade, this pitcher makes pouring effortless and spill-free thanks to its 3-position lid. Choose free pour, pour with ice guard, or no pour at all. What really sets this pitcher apart is its thoughtful features. The cushioned, ergonomic lid handle turns smoothly to the position you want, making it easy to control your pour. Plus, the pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, so cleaning is simple and safe. Made in the USA with global components, it combines quality craftsmanship with practical design. Many users praise how the lid fits snugly and how the pitcher resists stains, even after pouring hot sweet tea, a common challenge for plastic pitchers. Paired with the pitcher, Rubbermaid's easy-release flexible ice cube trays are designed to make your life easier. Made from soft, flexible material, these trays let you pop out ice cubes without the usual struggle. Sturdy handles make filling and carrying them a breeze, reducing spills when moving to the freezer. They nest neatly for compact storage and, like the pitcher, are BPA-free, freezer-safe, and dishwasher-safe. This combo is a smart solution for keeping your drinks cold and your kitchen organized. If you're tired of pitchers that stain, leak, or are a pain to clean, this Rubbermaid set is worth a look. It offers great value, 2 essential kitchen tools for the price of one. The 1-gallon size hits just right, filling to the bottom of the pour spout without overfilling. It's perfect for families, gatherings, or anyone who enjoys refreshing drinks without hassle. Ready to upgrade your drinkware? Try the Rubbermaid 1-gallon pitcher and easy-release ice trays when you're ready to enjoy effortless pouring, easy cleaning, and reliable quality. This set delivers exactly what you want in everyday kitchen essentials.